Are you looking for the best 4K Chinese drones? In this video we will look at some of the best 4K Chinese drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Xiaomi A1R 3S GPS Drone. Xiaomi A1R 3S Global Positioning System Drone 8K Professional First-Person View Brushless Laser Obstacle Avoidance Aerial Optical Foldable Quadcopter Mini 4K Drone invites hearts upward toward freedom and calm discovery. Flight becomes an emotional release where worries soften while horizons expand gently. Lifting from ground creates silent excitement, allowing imagination to wander beyond limits set by routine. Sky journeys feel personal, almost poetic, shaping moments filled with pride and quiet joy. Aerial perspective encourages mindfulness, helping creators reconnect with curiosity and inner balance. Watching landscapes glide below sparks wonder, turning ordinary surroundings into meaningful stories worth remembering. Each movement feels reassuring, inspiring confidence while nurturing creative courage. Time spent flying becomes a peaceful escape that refreshes spirit and sharpens focus. Open spaces transform into canvases where memories form naturally. Fields appear endless, rooftops look artistic, rivers resemble flowing thoughts. Real-time viewing deepens emotional presence, making every second feel alive and intentional. Sharing captured scenes builds connection, admiration, and happiness among loved ones. Foldable structure supports spontaneous travel, encouraging adventure without hesitation. Gentle operation respects surroundings, keeping atmosphere calm and immersive. Control feels intuitive, reducing stress while increasing enjoyment and trust. Motion remains smooth, supporting relaxed exploration and thoughtful creativity. This drone resonates with dreamers, travelers, storytellers, and seekers longing for perspective beyond ground level. It represents freedom, curiosity, and self-expression. Choosing this experience means choosing emotional flight, meaningful views, and memories shaped by skyward imagination that remain vivid long after landing. Number 2. Xiaomi Mijia V168 GPS Drone. Xiaomi Mijia V168 Global Positioning System Drone 4K Professional High-Definition Dual-Camera 8K Drone Brushless Motor 5G Wi-Fi First-Person View Foldable Remote Control Quadcopter Helicopter brings a sense of freedom that touches something deep inside. Sky exploration becomes emotional rather than technical, allowing dreams of flight to feel reachable and personal. Every ascent creates quiet excitement, where Earth slowly drifts away and perspective changes gently. Aerial movement encourages creativity, helping minds escape routine and rediscover curiosity. Capturing landscapes from above feels like preserving emotions, not just visuals. Each flight carries anticipation, calm focus, and joy that builds with every smooth glide. The experience feels empowering, giving control without pressure and confidence without fear. Outdoor moments gain meaning as nature unfolds from a higher view. Open fields, winding roads, rivers, rooftops, and horizons appear poetic and alive. This flying companion supports storytelling from angles once imagined only in films. Sharing these moments builds pride, connection, and inspiration among friends and family. Foldable design supports travel and adventure, allowing spontaneous journeys without hesitation. Quiet strength in motion reflects reliability, creating trust between user and machine. Navigation feels intuitive, reducing anxiety and increasing enjoyment. Real-time viewing deepens presence, making every second feel immersive and rewarding. This drone speaks to explorers, creators, travelers, and dreamers seeking emotional fulfillment through technology. It nurtures confidence, curiosity, and creative expression. Choosing this experience means choosing perspective, freedom, and memories shaped by sky, movement, and imagination that stay meaningful long after landing. Number 3. JJRC X40 Drone. JJRC X40 Drone Global Positioning System 4K Professional High-Definition Cameras 3-Axis Gimbal 5G Wi-Fi First-Person View Brushless Obstacle Avoidance Foldable Quadcopter Toy opens a door toward childlike wonder and quiet confidence. Flying brings emotional release, lifting thoughts away from pressure while inviting playful curiosity. The sky feels welcoming, offering space where imagination breathes freely and joy feels natural. Each launch carries anticipation mixed with calm excitement. Watching surroundings from above creates connection with nature, movement, and self-awareness. Moments feel slower, clearer, more meaningful. Curiosity turns into pride as control grows steadily, nurturing trust between hands in flight. The experience feels safe, reassuring, and deeply satisfying. Outdoor afternoons become memorable adventures filled with laughter, focus, and shared discovery. Open landscapes appear artistic, inspiring storytelling through motion and perspective. Real-time viewing deepens presence, making every second feel alive and intentional. Capturing memories from above strengthens emotional bonds among friends, family, and creative minds. Foldable design supports freedom, encouraging spontaneous plans without burden. Gentle flight respects atmosphere, preserving peace and immersion. Control feels natural, reducing anxiety while building enjoyment and confidence. Movement remains smooth, supporting relaxed exploration and mindful creativity. This quadcopter speaks to beginners, dreamers, young explorers, and hobby lovers seeking meaningful play rather than simple distraction. It nurtures curiosity, patience, and imagination. Choosing this experience means choosing emotional freedom, playful discovery, and memories shaped by skyward moments that remain cherished long after landing.